Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So it is often said that one of the best ways to fight imposter syndrome is through upskilling. And so in this video, I will be showing you how to develop more skills or find better grounding in data science by learning skills and actually earning certifications through LinkedIn. So guys, having known that, what is the best way to learn on LinkedIn? Basically, just go and sign up for the premium version of LinkedIn that's available on trial for 30 days. 30 days, guys, is enough time to learn as much as you want. So if you are new to data science and there are concepts that you are struggling with to learn, I really want to recommend strongly that you head over to LinkedIn, sign up, and try the premium version. Over the 30 days, you will be able to learn as much as you want over any topic, any concept. And the good thing about it is that you will earn a certification for it that you can actually upload to your profile. And trust me, guys, that works really well. So if you are new to data science or you are already fully grounded in data science and you want to test your skills, so you can head over there, take the test or the quizzes, and see how much you perform, and then be able to evaluate yourself in terms of performance in or be able to compare yourselves with others. So um, LinkedIn Premium or rather, LinkedIn Learning is one platform I'd highly recommend for you guys to head over and look at right now. So, with that said, click on the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification icon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.